question that we get asked a lot is, how much does maintenance cost? And that's a pretty big can of worms there, because it's all dependent. If you catch one of the specials where we're doing a tune-up for $78, we come out, we do your tune-up, everything winds up being okay, it's only $78. If you get on a maintenance programs can range from $13 a month all the way to $40 a month, depending on what you're doing and who you're doing it with. The monthly ones tend to be a lot better, because you don't have to remember to call us. We call you when it's time for your maintenance to be done. So we're looking to do air conditioners in the spring, furnaces in the fall. If we're doing solar system maintenance, we want to do those in the spring and the fall as well. Maybe we're doing, an HVAC plus filter maintenances, and we're out 4 times a year. So depending on how much you use us, obviously will depend on how much your monthly payment is. But the annual maintenance, it shouldn't be super expensive, because once we get you into maintenance, we should be able just to keep everything running, bar anything going out of a manufacturer's specification. There may be some extra costs there for a part to be repaired or a piece to be repaired, but we're going to know before it breaks, so you have peace of mind and longevity with the equipment.